Supervalu Rock Street in Tralee, 4th of March, walking towards the reverse vending machine which is beside the trolley. Seems to be a car parked in the location today. It kind of makes it awkward to navigate around. So this is the machine, so I'll put in the machine first. Now, it's spinning. It's crushed. So hopefully today the receipt should print in 30 seconds. Just stand back here a little bit. Oh, is that a receipt? No, that's something crushed. Give it 30 seconds. Oh, it did print out. Good news. So, it's fantastic. So this is the RVM reverse vending machine in Supervalu Rock Street, Tralee. And when you put in a bottle and wait 30 seconds, the receipt prints out automatically, so there's no need for touchscreen interaction.